What's up everybody, this is former Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're going to be sublimating using sublimation paper and inks. So don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Okay, so on my last video, you saw me converting this printer into a sublimation printer using sublimation inks. On this video, you're gonna see me using the stuff that or Koala send us to sublimate. They actually send us a mouse pad with the inks and the paper. And I'm going to be sublimating the mouse pad, and we're going to be sublimating Chromalogs, both in 5x7 and 8x10. And just so everybody knows, this video is not sponsored by or Koala. They did not pay me to make this video. There was no money exchange. So with that being said, Koala or has no saying in this video. I can do whatever I want with this product. They actually send it for the purpose of making the video, not as a form of payment. So we're gonna make the video as we like. And by we, I mean me. However, they did send a link, which anybody can get. Anybody that has a channel, anybody that you don't even have to have a channel, anybody can get a link to to ASAP on Amazon. Is very, very easy. So don't think that by me getting a link to their product and you buying it through my link that I'm gonna get tons of money. I am not. Trust me, I am not. And I'm not the only one. Again, it's very, very easy to set it up. Anybody can do it. So it's nothing special that they send this. It's nothing special that I might get a little kickback if you guys buy it through my link. Anybody can do it. It's as simple as that. Okay, with that being said, all that stuff aside, you already saw that they gave me a mouse pad. So let's open this up. If you watch my last video, you saw where I did the unboxing. Let's do it again, just in case you didn't see it. There's the unboxing. I do like the way that they presented the package. It's like, it looks very, very professional. I really do like it. This is a bundle, as you can see right there. It's a bundle where it has the inks and the paper. They also give you needles for your syringes. I would have loved it if they would include the syringes as well, because you get the kit, but you don't have any syringes in the kit. I would have loved for to add the syringes themselves. It's only 4 syringes. You could easily add them in there, and maybe if there's any extra cost, just throw in, add it to the kit, because this is a bundle, right? So that's just me thinking. But if you don't have the syringes, you can easily buy them on Amazon, or I don't even know where they sell those. So these are the inks that they send. Obviously, a lot of ink is already missing because it's in the printer already. But what we're gonna get off of here, it's the actual paper. Okay, so we're gonna move that to the side, and here's the paper. Pretty cool. The back of the printer is printed with their logo, and I'm just gonna get a few pages. So I'm gonna put them in my printer, and then again, we're gonna be sublimating the mouse pad, and I'm gonna be putting a picture of my daughter on all these 3 items right here. We're gonna be using this heat press right here to do these 3 items. Now, I know someone is gonna ask me about the settings on my heat press, and the settings that I'm gonna tell you, they might be different from the settings that wants you to sublimate at. Everybody knows their own heat presses. Mine, I like to sublimate on this one at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 seconds. We're gonna make a couple of tests and see which one actually works best, and then we'll adjust from that. But that's usually what I like to sublimate on this one, is 385 Fahrenheit for 45 seconds. I know most people's gonna tell you 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds or 1 minute. It all depends on the kind or the type of heat press that you have. Those are my settings. That's what I'm gonna be using. We can go ahead and start with this ones right here. And let me show you what I've been talking about, Chromalox. So Chromalox is a piece of aluminum. And it's really cool. I mean, once you get it printed, it looks amazing. It looks really, really good. Chromalox has a protective piece of plastic. Obviously, take it off. Make sure you don't touch the Chromalox is just a piece of aluminum coated with polyester resin on it to receive the sublimation. But make sure you don't put your fingers on it like that. If you want to wear gloves, that would be awesome, because whatever you put your fingers, the oils in your hand will not let it sublimate correctly. And the reason why I was saying you gotta have a bleed all the way around is that way you can position the aluminum right in the center. So for this, we're gonna need some heat tape so the paper doesn't move on us. Just like that. So let me show you how much bleed I got. If you can, camera can focus. It doesn't want to focus, okay, but you can somewhat see how much bleed I got all the way around the aluminum. And then usually what I like to do is I like to get my press nice and hot. So I dry press it, you know, just one time. Make sure it's hot, so I don't want to put it in there and it's kind of cold. And the other piece of, or the 5x7, this one does not have a coating like this piece right here. This one does not, but it has texture on it. It looks really nice. And that's gonna be my 5x7. And again, just position it where it looks like it's in the center. Apply some tape. Now we can go ahead and sublimate this. I think we can actually sublimate both of them at the same time. Now, when they come out, they're gonna be like really hot because it's aluminum. So if you have gloves, please wear them. I usually don't. But yeah, I suggest you guys wear gloves. So we're gonna get our mask pad. However, this right here is still wet. You don't want to sublimate it while they're still wet. So we're gonna wait a little bit. The other ones were already dry because they were sitting here for a little bit. If you have a press like this, you can do what is called hovering. So there you go, that was 45 seconds, remember? Okay, this one got really, really hot. So that's what I was saying, you gotta know your press, and that's the reason why, you know, I forgot to put a piece of something on it. Here you go, there's that first one. It looks really good. I can see a like a reddish hue on it. Just taking the tape off. Let me show you what it looks like. So you see all that sheen on it? However, I can see some like reddish hue on it. I don't know, the picture shouldn't look like that. Let's see the other one. Still kind of warm, but there you go. There's the other one. Can't get this camera to focus. Let me see if I can put it close to. There you go. I know you cannot see it on video, but maybe you can. This one right here has a texture on it and it looks really nice. And this one should be ready for the mouse pad. We're gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna center this. I'm gonna put something there so I can protect my press. Make sure you don't forget to mirror your image, because if you don't mirror it, it's gonna be ruined. And here's the mouse pad. Now, mouse pad looks really nice. Really, really nice. Okay, so if you want to dry this quicker, what you can do is, if you have a press like this that can hover on top, just kind of put your print there and hover it on top of it. If you have a clamshell, what you can do is do the same thing, you know, put your print right there and then bring the press down. Just make sure it doesn't touch the paper. That way you don't ruin it. So I'm gonna let it hover there just for a little bit so it'll dry up the ink. But yeah, it looks really nice. That should be enough. We don't want to bake it. And see, now it's completely dry. So here's the other one. This is a black and white with the full color. That doesn't even make sense. Black and white with full color. Yeah, I like how the Chromalox is actually shining really, really good. You can see it right there. See that? It looks really nice. Here's that first one. Sorry guys, the camera is not focusing all that good. And then the 5x7. This one right here in person looks really nice because of the finish on the metal. I wish that camera can focus good. Dumb camera. And here's the very last one. Still hot. Still very hot. So I know that you guys cannot see it that good on video, because I don't know why, but in person it looks really nice. I mean, it shines really, really good. I'm gonna be honest with you, this is probably one of the best results that I've gotten on Chromalox as far as the sheen and all that print. Color wise though, I can see like a red hue on it. It's like it's not truly black and white. Let me show you side by side. So this is the print, right? Bring it closer. This is still hot. So you see that red hue, and over here is like black and white. It should have been more black and white than what it looks like. However, I cannot blame anything, or the ink or the paper. I cannot, because remember, this is the first prints that we actually printed after the printer was converted. So there could still be some residue from the other ink, and that's probably why it's making that reddish hue. But overall, I like it. I really do like it. I wish it was more like this, where I can see all the whites, because I want my daughter to like really stand out. It does, but, and again, the reddish hue right there, it's making it kind of blend in with the rest of the picture, and I don't like that. But overall, it looks really good. It looks really, really good. I mean, if you guys can see it like right here in person, you can see how shiny it looks. It's amazing. Amazing. It looks really, really good. Very, very good. So guys, thank you for watching. This is it for this video. I'm actually impressed. If you guys want to go get some ASAP paper and ink, right here on the description below, there will be a link to the what is it, Amazon. If you guys want to buy it, if you guys want to try it out, go ahead, click on it, I really like the prices as well. It was like $40 for everything that you saw here, minus the printer. But the ink and the paper was 40 bucks. I thought it was a good price. I think it's like $39. That's why I'm saying 40 bucks. I don't think it's that expensive when you get the ink and the paper all together as a bundle. So if you guys want to get a bundle, go ahead and click on the link below. It won't cost you any extra. It takes you right to Amazon. So guys, it was a pleasure making this video. Thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Go get your mouse pad. Hey, they probably give you a mouse pad in the bundle. Heck yeah. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks to ASAP, Koala, Amy. Thank you for sending the bundle. Thank you for everything. I will catch you in the next one. Adios. Bye bye. God bless you. See ya later.